Chips and Zeros.
Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome to our latest episode of Chips and Zeros, and with me is my co-host,
Louie, also of Gadget Pilipinas, and
Wow.
OMG Louie.
Wow.
May wow!
Sobrang dami nangyari in the past week, months,
Months,
rather.
actually.
And I can't believe na tayo ay nasa April na. Oh my God.
I know.
So many things happened. We talked to a lot of people already. A lot, no? A lot.
Yeah.
Well, isa mo pati yung CES sa IMWC.
Yeah.
Well,
A lot
in today's episode, what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys a quick wrap-up of everything that happened in the past quarter. Grabe, first quarter, tapos na.
Yeah.
Louie, kamusta ka naman? First quarter mo, like, give us a quick wrap-up of what happened sa'yo.
Actually, it's a blur.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big blur because a lot of things happened. We started with Chips and Zeros.
December.
Yeah. So it was a new experience to be in a podcast, and then we had Gino come here.
Yes.
We talked about a lot of things, all of the geek gossip or
Oh, yeah.
celebrity
Oh.
chuchu niya. Tapos, ang dami! We traveled! He traveled! Ang dami niyang pinuntahan kung saan-saan.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we
no?
also had a celebration the end of January
Yeah.
for our team and for our partners,
Yes.
agencies, and brand partners that have worked with Gadget Pilipinas and Blip Media for the past
In general,
few
yeah,
years.
the past few
So,
years.
sobrang daming nangyayari. So, sorry guys kung wala kami ng March because...
Yes, kasalanan ko yun kasi honestly, we're supposed to have our episode for
Yeah.
March. Meron kaming schedule na nakaset eh. But like the night before, I'll tell you guys kung sino yung next episode guest namin, no? But the night before, I had to actually call it off because nagkasakit ako.
Yeah, it was medyo grabe yung nangyari sa'yo, no?
Sobra yun. Hindi naman ako na hospital or whatever, pero it's
You were
really
down.
Like, I was
And
really
like-
down, and it's really more of like a bad case of intestinal flu. For some reason, I'm not sure why
Medyo wild.
and how it happened. But again, as I mentioned, no, in today's episode, we're going to talk about kung ano yung mga napag-usapan in the past, no, what's gonna happen in the next few months, at least for us at Chips and Zeros. And of course, what's next for Gadget Pilipinas and also kay OMG Louie.
Yeah,
Alright.
so it's like a Q1 recap.
Recap of
Recap
everything
of
that happened.
everything that happened.
So speaking of recap, no, for those of you who missed our previous episodes, we had 3 episodes in the past, no. Meron kaming episode, no, where the two of us talked about our expectations for Chips and Zeros. Second one is of course with comparing Gino,
Yeah.
my co-yearner, Gino.
Shout out to
Shout
Gino
out
Q.
to Gino Q, no. And after that, we had naman Jamie and Leia,
Yes, our favorite
no. Tech couple.
tech power couple.
Power couple.
Sobrang,
It was a
yeah.
very timely event then, a timely episode because it was during the love month. No?
Parang ano sila, couple goals, no?
Oo nga,
Like,
oo.
if you guys were able to watch our episode, I learned a lot because it was so nice to see their synergy as a couple, not only in like their personal life, but like we had a lot of questions how it was to work with your significant other under the same company.
Yeah,
Kasi it's
yeah.
very rare that you will see that kind of synergy
Yep.
that they have. But they told us their story na parang with whatever is in their personal life, they try to make sure na balanced lahat.
Lahat.
Tsaka parang nagko-complement kasi yung personalities nila tsaka yung strengths nila. So,
And coincidentally, that episode happened just a few months after you announced, or a few weeks after you announced that you got engaged. Yeah, boy, let's go!
ang excited niya. He's so excited.
Ako yung excited talaga eh. But
Kakaiba yun.
anyway, again, so last December, during our first episode, no, we talked about ano yung gusto namin mangyari for Chips and Zeros. And, well, 4 months later, I'm just really happy that everything that we planned, everything that we talked about last time, no, nangyayari na siya, no.
Slowly but surely,
Slowly
we are
but surely.
getting there.
Of course, syempre, the number of viewers, syempre, number of people who are subscribing, it's slowly come. We believe on that, no? At syempre, lahat naman itong mga topics namin, we always make sure that these are evergreen contents na pwede mong balik-balikan. And just like we mentioned earlier, no, we had several episodes na, and we're continue to do so and look for really nice and interesting people that is in the realm of tech and of
And
course,
beyond.
and beyond and software and gaming. just
Yeah.
in general.
So, I mean, I think we were off to a great start because Gino is, very well known in the geek sphere here in the Philippines. And also Jamie and Leia in the tech industry naman in the Philippines. So hopefully we talk to more interesting people. Like I think we got really good people for the first 2 episodes where we decided to interview them. Pero it's also nice to like sit down and talk about it na tayong dalawa lang. Kasi it's been a while since we did that.
Like this.
Yeah, so which is eventually you see a little bit more of stuff like this.
Yeah.
Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa amin.
Sana, no?
Sana
Initially...
sana hindi kami magsawa sa isa't isa.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, actually, meron akong idea kanina when I picked her up, no? Sabi sa kanya, Louie, nakita ba meron mga mounts dito ng camera? I'll place the Osmo Pocket here, I'll place the Insta360 on the other side, and then we talk. Let's do our podcast here. And then na-realize nga niya na siya pala ay medyo biyahilo.
Anong medyo? I am...
Ay, hindi pala, no? You are mega...
100% biyahilo.
Biyahilo, no? So we scrapped the idea. Maybe we'll probably
Someday,
have
you
something
never
like
know.
that.
You never know kung mangyayari
You
siya.
never know.
Also, may mga may mga in the pipeline ka.
Yes,
Kaya
yes, I
hindi
do.
muna kami magpe-preempt ng kahit ano.
Hindi mo na. So let's talk about the second episode. Kasi the first episode, we already breezed through it already.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Gino's episode. What are the ones that you really like most in that episode?
I like that nanilaglag niya si Chico.
Si Chico! Oh, ano yung kinuwento niya?
Yung mga kwento niya yung mga paano nagpe-pre-order siya habang nagpe-prep sila for work. And yung bahay niya, puro figures na. I like those kinds of anecdotes about other people. It's because it's relatable. Because we are like that. Na parang, shit, kinakahiya ko to, pero mamaya mag-order ka na. Or, like, kami, pag tinanong ko siya, oy, may bagong game, tapos sabihin niya, nabili ko na yan. Mga ganon. So, yung mga stuff like that. So, it's nice to see na it's not just us who's like that, right?
Exactly. So, it was also a time din kasi na for us na we talked about na that it's frowned upon that people would know that you play games. Parang kanina lang, di ba? Parang pinag-usapan natin yan na you never thought na si Kals pala, our friend, na actually plays games, no? Special shout out kay Kals, no? And then, she just realized na, oh my God, Kals pala is such a huge gamer.
Yeah, when I first met him, I asked him pa, parang you play games talaga? Parang feel ko na-offend siya ng slight. Kasi, di namin alam na, oh, surprise, he's like super heavy gamer. Which I am also to an extent, ibang levels lang, but he's like a different level.
Guys, yung level 200, almost 230, parago na po siya ngayon sa Diablo na bagong season. No?
Sino?
So, ikaw, di ba, 200,
actually,
20?
naabutan na nga kita.
Hindi pa, no?
Hindi, nag-230 na ako kagabi.
Oh, pero 236 na ako eh.
Oh, but that's 6th level, so way. And I was just 200.
I dare you, bro. Ano mamaya, artificial spit ulit, So, ganun mga tipo mga bagay. It's just a very enjoyable episode and we wanna do something like that more, no? Kasi ito yung time that we get to actually connect with our friends. At the same time, they're up for it and they're sharing also their experience with a lot of our friends and audience as well.
Yeah.
So,
what about you? Like, what's your favorite part?
Oh, the yearner part. No? Make joke lang. No? But it's really more of, kasi, well, as you know, no, Gino already has kids, and of course, a wife. No, syempre naman silang. At ako din naman, no, I have 2 kids already. So, because of that, we kind of really jived because we know the pitfalls, the enjoyment,
the challenges of being
a dad.
geek.
A geek and a dad and a gamer. You know those things, di ba? Na,
how do you balance?
How do you balance? And the thought na, putik, hindi lang pala ako.
Yeah.
Hindi lang pala ako yung nakaka-experience ng ganung klaseng mga bagay. No? And such a really nice way of really being able to connect to a different kind of level. To a friend. No? To a friend. Yun, I really enjoyed that episode with Gino. And again, shout out to Gino and to Vince and also kay Jaco, kay Ralph. Because because of their launch of
nag-launch sila ng new content creator space.
Ang ganda nun.
It's called the Rec Room, guys.
And Mandaluyong.
Yeah, in Mandaluyong. So if you need space to shoot content, you might want to check it out.
Yes, no, it's actually a really good spot, no.
B-roll,
B-roll, some videos. No, yan. So, ayan, no. Also during January, it was also CES. It's a Consumer Electronics Show
in Las Vegas.
In Las Vegas, no. So during the first half of the year, I actually went to Las Vegas to cover that show. It's one of the biggest trade show events, specifically focused on technology, but more on appliances.
Appliances?
Appliances, laptops,
Appliances like mga washing
mga
machine.
washing machine, TVs, no? And the ones that I actually enjoyed so much was when they unveiled their yung trifold display ni Samsung, which they recently axed already.
Ay, talaga?
Yeah, they stopped selling it. It's really more of an R&D thing, I guess, for them. That
It's
they
more
introduce
like
it.
a trade show where they showcase innovations.
Innovations.
And then see how the market will react.
Would react. Like, I believe so. But it was actually a good product to begin with because it's a showcase also of
Sayang.
what they're capable of. And maybe, mali natin, baka magkaroon ng bago. No?
You never know. It might not be specifically from Samsung, but other tech brands or mobile brands will probably
Would
consider.
consider. And hindi na naman sila yung gumagawa niyan. Nakita natin si Tecno, di ba?
Yeah.
At MWC, they did that.
Yeah.
Huawei as well. In fact, Huawei sold it here in the Philippines through, I think Smart.
Oh, yeah.
Yung trifold nila. So, alam natin may market, but it's such a very expensive product. To produce. So,
How's like the SRP for it?
I'm not sure.
Is it like medyo out of...
Hindi kasi dinala sa Pilipinas yung kay Samsung eh. Pero yung kay Huawei, I believe it's 130,000?
Which is, your flagships are like that.
Yeah, it is. So, ganun naman siya. So, kumbaga, if you're choosing between like getting something from Apple, for example, hindi mo naman kinukonsider limbawa yung Apple na ganito, no?
Yeah.
And you're gonna get 1 terabyte. At some point, should I get that or should I get something that transforms into a tablet?
Yeah, I get
Parang
it.
ganun tipo mo.
Actually, that's the thing because like Apple is already teasing their folds, right?
Yeah, I'm actually very excited.
And I'm like, kasi I was considering the Air, but then I realized it's not for my needs.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
I am a heavy mobile phone user, so I'm sure the heating issues will affect me, and then the battery issues. So
for the Air.
For the
Yeah.
Air, and also because there's only one lens, diba?
Exactly.
So if you're a content creator and you only have one lens, very limited ang capacity for you to content create with it.
Yun
So
nga.
but if they're gonna do a fold,
I
don't
really
know.
have a feeling that they will do the fold.
Fold or a flip, because I'm also like I like the flips of Samsung and the other like brands. Like remember we did a Tecno no cuts
the no cuts.
with the flip phone. So we'll see.
But you know what? I have a feeling that the leaks may be correct this time because normally ang ginagawa kasi ni Huawei, no, is that whenever Apple comes out with a new product that's entirely new product that would definitely change the landscape of tech, no, they would come out with something as well earlier than Apple's.
It's because it's that competitive.
Oo. Ginawa na yan before, like 2 years pa before ni Huawei, which is the Pura X. Ginawa na dati. Ito. No? It's like a book type na phone that unfolds like this. It's like your normal foldable phone, but it's gonna be ported 4x3 pag binukas mo. So it's going to be like a tiny phone.
Ayun ba yung nakita ko yan recently.
Yung leak na to.
Parang square.
Para siyang square.
Like
So-
yung Eco mo pero dalawa.
So I'm not sure if it's gonna be a 4x3 ratio or 4x5 ratio.
That's cute.
But if that happens, I'm on board. Tamang-tama, next year, February is going to be my renewal of my subscription with Smart. So if that's the case, bro, I'm gonna get it. For sure.
Oh my gosh.
So, yan. So, that's what happened. CES, no, really enjoyed that show.
Tsaka
Louie.
may mga spooky stories.
Oh my God, but that actually happened during Unpack.
Ay, okay na. Sorry
Which
na.
leads us to the second month.
Wait lang, meron lang.
Ano ba?
January pa, di ba? The other party.
January pa nga pala, no?
January
Got too
pa lang
excited.
na excite siya sa
So,
move.
ikaw kasi. Hindi. So,
Ako na naman.
yun nga. So, sige, let's talk about what happened during the end of January. Now, just so you know, guys, we've been around, like, Blip Media, we've been around for, like, close to 10 years already.
Okay.
So, 2016 when we started. No? But in the past, no, wala pang Blip Media, Gadget Pilipinas. We've already established quite a number of partners, already friends in the industry. And dati naman ginagawa namin before the pandemic, we hold Thanksgiving parties and events with friends and also with brand partners. Pero hindi namin nagawa yun uli.
Ang busy kasi nung December last year.
Yeah. Saka past 2 years, hindi natin nagawa yun eh.
Yeah.
So, January was a time to...
Also kasi, nag-launch kami ng bagong website.
Yes!
So if you guys haven't seen, and
Pinoy
you're-
Game Haven?
Yes, and if you're, that's when we announced that we were launching Pinoy Game Heaven,
Yep.
which is focusing more on your card games,
Card games,
tabletop card
tabletop.
games, and eventually will expand to tabletop games. So yeah, go follow Pinoy Game Heaven.
Yeah, yeah.
Haven,
That's
Haven.
It's heaven also. Just kidding. PGH, parang hospital
Yeah,
lang.
mga dakilang ng bubudo na mahilig sa cards.
Oo, so,
MTG. Right now, it's focusing more on MTG.
Right now.
And eventually, will expand to Pokemon,
Pokemon.
and other card games. Yon. So if you're looking for a community, go check that out.
yeah, currently being right now headed by Eman Portoza.
Yes.
So nangyari na siya noon is yes, so we already launched it during the party. And it was also announcement din namin. It was also announced there na Eman will be more focused on Pinoy Game Haven rather than focusing on Gadget Pilipinas.
Yeah.
So it's parang siyang sent off na hindi kasi
Hindi naman. It's
Eman
more
naman is still
like
with us. Yeah.
he's pursuing a passion. Kasi grabe si Emma.
Grabe talaga yun.
Grabe yung mga cards niya and everything. I mean, it will also make for great content because if you're passionate about something, you'll want to make something good for it.
Exactly.
Right?
And that's where we all started naman. Like
Yeah.
when you started OMG Louie, diba? It's really more of like
Yes.
like what
I
you
mean,
do,
wala
your
naman
passions
akong,
about.
I mean,
I remember you were doing pa the hair dyeing thing.
Oh my
diba?
God,
You did
yeah.
that in the past. And right now, you're still getting quite a number of viewers from that hair dyeing.
nakakapagod din siyang gawin. So, I don't suggest it for anybody because number one, it's expensive. Number two, the integrity of your hair will be like compromised.
yeah,
So, but you never know. Maybe the next episode, iba na naman na yung kulay ng buhok ko. So,
Oo nga,
like my hair is constantly changing. You know?
Alamin natin at abangan natin kung ano ang next na hairdo ni... hairdo na pa!
Hairdo! Hairstyle.
Hairstyle no, ni Louie. Yeah, so January, what a month for us.
Medyo busy, medyo lang.
Very busy. Pero walang mas makaka-busy pa
Sa Feb.
sa February.
Considering it's a short month, no?
It's such a short month, but I felt like October last year,
It's usually called Techtober.
naging Feb whatever na siya. I don't know. Both actually February and March.
Yeah.
Sobrang hilong-hilo talaga ako ng February and March.
Yeah.
Napakahirap talaga guys, no? Pero masaya kasi nga, sabi nga ni Louie, it's really a passion. So totoo naman yun, no? Ano nangyari ng February, Louie? No? Again, going back to what
Yeah.
you mentioned earlier, episode natin with
Yeah,
Jamie
the
and Leia.
Love Month episode with Jamie and Leia. If you guys don't know, they are from Unbox.
Unbox.ph.
Jamie is under Unbox.ph.
Yep.
And Leia's
UCN.
under Unbox Creator Network.
Yeah.
So, but they're still under the same company.
Ano yun? Unbox group of companies. No?
Unbox group of
yeah.
companies. Yun. So, ang interesting kasi nung episode na yun because it was number one, it was timely because February is Love Month and they are a married couple who work under the same company in the tech industry.
Yeah.
So, ang ganda ng conversation because we learned a lot of different things about how they're able to balance their work and their life and then how they're able to draw boundaries then. Kasi that's really hard considering you work under the same
The same.
business.
Yeah.
Parang how do you draw the line
Correct.
between that, diba? So, yun. For me, that was like, oh.
Very interesting dynamics sila, no? Like, I've known Jamie and Leia for many years now, and yung layer of knowledge ko about their relationship, like how deep it is, how deep it goes, mid. And during that episode, like, okay, ang dami ko naalaman. And during that time, no, napag-usapan din nila na they grew the relationship through Diablo, di ba?
Yeah, or I mean, dun siya parang nag-blossom.
Nag-blossom,
Like,
no?
oh, come over, let's play Diablo. Parang wow, di ba?
Bro, di ba? Like, devil. Just kidding. No? But yeah, it's a really nice episode as well. Kind of also cements our thought na talagang lovable couple talaga sila when it comes to this kind of, in this industry. Kasi madalang in the tech industry talaga. And I think we already talked about this then during our first episode. Kasi isa sa mga wishlist natin na makausap, di ba? Jamie and Leia, Vika, and also sila Vika, no? And marami pa. Pero syempre, unang-unang lumutang sa atin noon is talaga si Jamie and Leia because
Yeah.
I mean, they're very much open also, no?
Oo.
To share.
So we're very thankful kasi pumayag sila. Lalo na yung mga tanong na medyo Miss Universe yung level niya.
questions.
So yung time na stump si Leia na parang, ang ganda ng question pero hindi ko alam kung paano sagutin.
Oo nga. Oo.
But that was good because at least parang meron kang onting like deeper thinking in that sense na parang, nga no, ano kaya yung magandang sagot doon? Diba? Those
Kasi
kinds of
when we
questions.
were thinking about the question, syempre, di ba, kung only alam natin, surface level, and then you just put it there. And then eventually, meron tayong preconceived ideas how they would answer it.
Yeah.
But then, sila mismo, parang napapaisip sila, like, oh my God, like, how nga?
Maybe
So,
because
minsan,
it puts things into perspective also na. Because you're so used to being together, hindi mo na naiisip yung mga ganon. Diba?
Yeah.
Which is nice kasi I feel like that's also how you grow as a couple. Not just in life, but like business partners.
Business
I guess.
partner.
Diba? Yeah.
Yeah, and of course, these episodes can be watched on Apple Podcast, YouTube, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, Facebook also. And of course, may mga snippets of these episodes posted on our social channels. And that episode, we aired that like before I left for Unpacked.
Which happened
in the mid of February, which is February 21, 22.
End Feb na yun.
And ano na yun? Actually, end of Feb. Almost end of Feb na siya. So, shoot natin yun, I think, Feb 16 ba? 17? Something like that.
I think so.
Mga ganun time. Kasi you announced your engagement like...
Feb 14, I think.
Yeah, correct. So, yun. So, tapos sakto, nung nag-episode tayo dito, nagkwento tayo about it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this was a really nice episode. Also, binabalik-balikan ko rin siya, no, para ako din ay medyo kiligin, no? Yeah. Para kilig-kiligin naman ako, paano.
Wow.
No? Kaya, no? Kasi nakakatuwa naman sa episode na yun, eh.
Yeah.
And just like what I mentioned, that's before kami naman ni Jamie yung magka-date sa Unpacked. Kasi we went to San Francisco.
Oh!
Yeah,
nice.
and the most interesting
Di naman yun yung most interesting.
Di ba? Hindi pa yun.
Pero tell us about Unpacked. Like, what did you do there? And then...
Well, for Unpacked, of course, the launch of the new Galaxy S26 series, plus of course the new Buds, no? They also announced it there. Lots of things happened. Unang dalawang gabi ko ay minulto ako. Well, don't get me wrong, ang ganda nung hotel namin.
Yes.
But I was placed on the top floor.
Okay.
So, 8th floor ako nilagay.
Okay.
May mga kasama ko sa ibang 8th floor, so okay lang yun.
But they didn't hear
two more.
anything?
I believe someone, sila JV, doon din, 8th floor din sila.
But they didn't hear
But they
anything?
didn't hear any knocks. Remember guys, 8th floor po ako, top floor. Tapos may kumakatok sa ceiling, like everywhere, like from here, and then there. Tapos right wall.
Sa tabi mo.
Oh, and then, syempre, people would dismiss that, baka ano lang yan, piping. But I know the sound of pipes.
Moving water
and
pipes,
all.
yeah.
Minsan, because of pressure, kakabig minsan yun, and then it will create a sound.
Yeah.
It's not like that. It's like that.
Kinatok mo din siya.
No, hindi naman kasi baka sumagot. But I was actually talking to the whatever entity it was, no? But I don't know, after 2 nights, I just gave up because hindi ako makatulog.
So he asked for a room exchange?
I did ask for a room exchange, no questions.
Yeah.
I just said, can I ask for a change? Can I change?
Same floor?
No, they put me on the 7th floor.
Okay, 1 floor below. Wala na?
Wala yun. Wala. Oo, wala. So, I have no idea what that was.
They do say like in the hotel industry is that when a general manager moves, like when they switch general managers, there's always like a list of rooms in the hotel
That,
if a customer says I need to change my room and then it's in the list of rooms there and automatic no questions they will move you. So,
yeah, so
baka yun.
Bro, like, yeah. So,
anyway.
Very interesting. I do have the recordings of the knocks.
Wag na, huwag na pakita.
Napadala ko yun. Actually, napadala ko yun sa
Pinadala niya sa aming lahat. Lahat kami nakaganon. Ano yun?
Tapos boom, dadami. No?
Yeah.
At, those recordings are only like, snippets. 8 minutes lang yun, total eh.
But it happened
Pero
all throughout the
all
night.
throughout the night.
Oh, man.
Pero syempre, the most interesting pa rin during that trip is, of course, yung launch ng mga new phones.
Yeah.
We saw the phones like way before, like way ahead.
Yeah.
But then it's only then that I actually got to experience it.
Yeah.
Because, Bitbit nga namin siya.
S26.
And this is the S26. Yeah, this is the one.
S26 Ultra?
Ultra.
Ultra.
No? And just to give you guys a quick shout out to our friends from Pitaka. Yun, so,
Ang gusto ko.
special thanks to Pitaka because they sent over this one, Mavis Goods. Thank you so much. This is their
Ganda-ganda
over the
ng-
horizon.
Ang ganda ng nila.
Yeah,
Cases.
Aramid. What's good about this is this actually adds 3 more buttons on the left side.
Ha?
It's an Aaron buttons. It's like a shortcut button. Ang cool niya, dagdag na button.
Paano? Like, and then the
So,
connection is?
for some reason, this one has a Bluetooth of something like a Bluetooth or an NFC of its own that adds another layer of shortcut to your phone.
Oh.
So, kung dati, ang button mo lang is isa lang. Sorry, hindi ko mabuksan. No? Kasi, yan. No? Ito, this adds 3 more buttons. Dito sa may kabila.
Ang galing.
Galing, di ba?
So what does it do? Like, you can map it?
You can map it. Cool, di ba? It's very cool. Again, thank you to Pitaka. Segue lang yun, no? Because we'll have another video about this new case by Pitaka. But then again, special thanks to our friends from Mavis Goods for sending
thank
over
you.
this one. Super love their cases.
Yeah, naingit nga din ako eh.
I love it. Anyway, so yun nga, very interesting. Alam nyo ba na pinapunta pa nila kami sa parang yoga, may yoga
Ayaw
session.
nga pala.
Oo.
Yung maga.
Oo. Tapos in-explain sa amin, pero that session was actually more of like experiencing, auditory experience siya. To be
For
able
the Galaxy Buds, I
For the
think.
Galaxy Buds, yeah. This is the Galaxy Buds, just in
Wow,
case you
siya
guys.
na ang mayroon lahat.
Ayan, so Galaxy Buds.
Nasa iyo
Kasi
na
meron
ang
siya,
lahat.
meron kasi siyang feature that actually makes you relaxed.
Oh,
So, mas feeling mo relaxed ka.
talaga?
Oo, kasi meron siya yung parang mga may
Auditory
experience and stuff.
Actually,
So,
maganda nga yung Galaxy Buds ngayon.
But to be honest,
Ganda nung case nila.
una hindi ko siya gusto.
Tapos like the rose, the gold pinky colors are also nice. The white one is also.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda
oo.
din yung shape nung
Noong una, hindi ko type kasi parang feeling ko nasisimple ako, especially when you compare it to the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro.
Yeah, but this is so minimalist and sleek.
Yeah, so yun nga, parang it kind of grows on you.
Yeah. I think I was there also when they launched the 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I like this better in terms of
saka
shape.
mas maliit siya, di ba?
Mas basic.
Maliit na siya.
Basic B kasi ako.
Oh, di ba? Oh, look at this.
Sige na,
Look at
ikaw na.
this.
Ikaw na, meron lahat.
Very nice. So, ayun. And ayun na nga natapos ang Unpacked.
Tapos.
Sobrang interesting yung nangyari doon kasi we're supposed to go, well, of course, we're going to Barcelona for MWC.
Yes.
The setup was from San Francisco, hindi na ako uwi ng Pilipinas.
Kasi magkasunod na siya eh.
Kasi magkasunod na. So
Right.
instead of me going back to the Philippines, doon ako nag-birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Di ba? Oh. Instead of pumunta ng Pilipinas, pumunta na ako diretso sa MWC, sa Spain,
So from
Barcelona.
San Francisco, you flew straight to, well, you had a stopover in
In
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
And then flew to Barcelona.
Yeah, but unlike other media, galing Pilipinas, ang stop nila ay sa Gulf area, which is Qatar. Hindi siya natuloy.
Yeah, I know.
So,
It's wild.
and surprisingly, si Louie, she's also supposed to fly through that route as well. Almost that route. Same, kasi Dubai ka dapat, no?
To Dubai ba?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah, so, pero, nasa airport ako,
Dubai nga, oo.
Amsterdam Airport. Like, I was actually contacting her na nagbobombahan na po. So I was actually very
The
worried.
night before we were gonna fly out to
Oo.
MWC through Emirates, biglang nagkaroon ng news na sinashutdown na yung airspace around the area.
Oo. So parang natakot kasi baka hindi matuloy si Louie. Una, first time
To go to Europe.
Di pa natuloy, no? Medyo malapit tayong sumuko nun.
Mag-back out,
Mag-back out
actually,
na. No?
but-
Kasi parang ang hirap naman nun, patuloyin ka.
Yes.
Tapos it's gonna be detrimental to
We
you.
were also we were
Security.
in talks with the brand that was sending us over, which is like, thanks to Tecno, talagang pinagtsagaan nila and we were able to go to Barcelona. But like the night before, we were like talking to Tecno and asking kung ano na yung magiging plans. They were able to
Oo.
rebook. Buti na lang nakahanap kami ng
Yes.
flights that then yung stopover isn't in that area. So natuloy kami.
Yeah.
Yung
Any
we're just-
stopover na Europe, okay lang eh.
Yeah, so we flew straight to France and then to Barcelona.
Paris ka na, no?
Ha?
Paris? Or-
Yes, Paris. Yes,
Oh.
Paris yung
So-
stopover namin for like very short lang, 2 hours, and then diretso ng Barcelona. So we were initially going to arrive in Barcelona like that night, but we arrived the day after ng lunchtime. So we didn't
Oh,
really
God,
miss
yeah.
a lot, which is good.
Funny yun kasi natatawa ko doon kasi like again, by the way, no, before I continue, I just would like to thank Samsung and also Honor and Tecno for being our major sponsors during our coverage, no. But of course, Maya, no. Watch out for our contents about
Xiaomi
Maya,
also.
and of course, yes, Xiaomi. Let's not forget Xiaomi because
Xiaomi
Xiaomi was
support.
very kind enough to also support us in our trip, no.
Yes.
And yun nga, no, nung pagdating nila, di ba, nag-freshen up ka lang, and then diretso na agad sila sa show floor ng MWC.
Walang kain-kain.
Wala!
Literally, we just took a shower to get all the airplane atmosphere off of us, and then diretso na kami sa event.
Sa event.
Yeah.
Kaya nung nakita ko talaga sila lahat, para talagang, my guys, nice to
nakarating
see
kami!
you all! At talagang, we were actually also hoping din na makita namin nun yung mga people from Honor. Kaya
It would
lang
have been
talaga-
a lot of people
Yeah,
together.
would
It would have been
nice.
really, really fun. But
Would
you
have
know,
been nice.
I think it's much better na nakauwi sila kahit na sobrang hassle
Yun yung
yung
importante.
nangyari. And that they were safe. That was what we were all praying for. Kasi ang dangerous ng mga nangyari na they got
Yes.
shuttled off somewhere else.
Yeah.
Yun yung medyo delix na. Buti na lang talaga nakauwi sila ng safe and sound. That was
So, Louie,
important. Yeah.
MWC, how was your experience with MWC? How was it?
It was good. Like, I wouldn't say I was like super exhausted. It was more like, ang daming pwedeng makita.
Oh.
But it was like, it's a different experience as compared to, let's say, a Tokyo Game Show. Because Tokyo Game Show is gaming, right? Like, that's my
That's your turf.
sphere. That's my turf. Like, oh, a new game. Oh, I know this. Oh, I know that. Dito,
Yeah.
parang, oh, ang interesting because these are the types of technologies na makikita mo na in the future, right?
Yeah,
like, ang interesting na they were already showing off yung mga convenience stores that were manned by robots.
Robots. Yeah, totoo yun.
Right?
Oh.
So, a cafe that was manned by
Manned by
robots. Ang ganda niya kasi this is like kind of like, oh, the future, maybe. But also, you still had all of these brands that are ano pa rin, same lang like yung mobile phones,
Yeah.
but with very specific innovations, like with Honor, the robot phone.
The robot phone.
was definitely like a crowd,
grabber.
Crowd grabber, yeah. Parang talagang nakita talaga siya ng mga tao, and they were like, oh my God, what is that, right?
Yeah.
And we also spotted the King of Spain there.
Oh, yeah. And you know what? Lagi siya pupunta ron.
Yeah, I mean, with MWC, sabi mo nga,
Yeah,
every
oo.
year he
Pero
goes to
so nice.
MWC. But
Tall guy.
we saw him at the Honor booth.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah, he was
when
there,
we
he
were
was there,
leaving
he
na,
was
and I
there.
was like, oh my God,
Yeah.
royalty yan.
The
So,
royalty.
yeah, tapos it was fun. Ang sad lang kasi umuulan. So
Correct.
parang the weather was not really to our favor, but it was a good experience, I think.
Pero I'm sure na-enjoy mo yung pagkolekta ng mga pins.
Oh yeah, oo. Actually, pinamigay ko din yung parang maganda siyang pasalubong because it's so
yeah.
unique.
The Google pins?
Yeah, the Android pins.
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
We have a video about that. Wala kaming ginawa. Inatupag lang namin yung paghanap ng mga pins every day. Meron pa ba kayo nito? Wala na. So, it's a nice scavenger hunt.
MWC, man. We really enjoyed that coverage. No?
Yeah.
And we're looking forward again to doing it next year.
Hopefully, we get to go
Hopefully,
back.
we get to go back. Obviously, this year is really so much AI happening and
Yes.
going on. It's kind of a given. And also one of the reasons why RAM and SSD prices surge, no, to all-time high.
Oh my
But
God.
hopefully, it's gonna normalize pretty
So,
soon.
what do you think about that? Kasi di ba parang nagkaroon ng news recently na bumababa na yung prices niya.
Yeah, but it's not gonna trickle down that very quickly.
Yes.
Pretty sure the impact would be felt in the
Yeah.
upcoming launches of new smartphones. No? In fact, ramdam na agad yun sa mga
Laptops.
launches ng laptops,
Yeah.
saka handhelds.
Usually, at this time, mag-a-announce na sila. Di nga eh. Normally, CES, you would already see the new lineup of yearly laptops,
Oo,
right?
yeah,
Meron ka
correct.
na from all brands, whether it's a Lenovo Legion, ROG, or Asus. Maglalabas na yan ng lineup nila for the year. Pero medyo
Yeah, medyo
tahimik.
manipis. Oo, manipis. Saka syempre, couple of refreshes and all. Pero some brands would, kind of introduce like 8 gig RAM variants.
Yes.
Lower RAM variants. Pero ang challenge ngayon is to be able to make it more optimized pa rin and capable even if you have lower RAM configuration. Because the challenge now is to be able to manage the load even with lower RAM.
Yeah, gets ko naman.
So, I think
Kaya ba?
Kaya. And we actually have an article about that, no? That Grant penned, not just on the laptop side of things, but also on the desktop lineup. And, well, let's not forget about MacBook Neo.
Yeah.
MacBook Neo, really low RAM capacity.
Yeah.
Pero still, tanking even some of the other
Pero I don't know if
Windows.
I don't know if it's fair to compare Windows to iOS.
It's different. I mean, Mac kasi is still running on Mac. The
Yes.
MacBook Neo.
Yes.
But the different thing about that
Or
is
not iOS,
it's,
sorry,
it's,
the
yeah,
whole Apple
ecosystem.
Mac system. Kasi ang mahirap dun kasi is Apple has created an ecosystem that's solely theirs. So in terms of optimization, they've had that.
They have the
for the longest time, right?
Oo.
So
Pero yung more interesting kasi yung sa MacBook Neo because that one is running on a mobile chipset.
yeah.
And before, it's kind of unheard of to be able to do something like that. Diba? Ang ginawa ng iba, for example sa Snapdragon, ang ginawa nila is Qualcomm, is that they made an entirely different kind of chip that would power their laptop lineup that's running directly using their Snapdragon chipset. Ito, hindi.
I think the new Asus
Yung X2?
yung mga ZenBooks
Oo,
yata.
ZenBooks.
Meron
It's
yan.
Snapdragon X2 eh.
may mga-
Pero ito, si MacBook, Apple thought, hey, our phones last year was good enough. Let's grab our chipset there. We have enough. Let's put it on our MacBook lineup. And let's put Mac OS on it. And it's working for them. So, and by the way, pre-orders of the MacBook Neo, as we speak, is now ongoing. So if
Hi.
you're getting one, you have plenty of stores.
Let us know what you think.
Let us know what you think. I, for one, would definitely get one for my kids kasi sabi ko sa kanila, pag nagka-medal kayo, I mean,
Wow!
if you get medal, you get
End up mo
MacBook
naman ako,
Neo.
bigping ako ng MacBook Neo.
By kids, I mean Eman. Just kidding.
Sabi ni Emma, narinig mo yun,
Oh,
ha?
naka-MacBook Air na po si
Narinig mo
Emma.
yun, no?
Naka-MacBook Air si
Hindi na
Emma.
niya kailangan ng Neo.
So, bumili naman siya ng
Actually,
MacBook.
that has been our conversation for the longest time because
Oh.
I said I wanted to switch
Switch.
to the Apple ecosystem eventually, just for the work travel purposes.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, I was thinking of getting a MacBook Air, but now that the MacBook Neo is out, it's like
6'7". Pero, sorry. Ito interesting to, Louie. Kasi MacBook Neo, it's actually meant for the students.
Yeah,
Diba?
it
Initially.
is,
Siyempre, students talaga yan. And what it actually would do is to bring more people to the ecosystem. In your case kasi, you're already in the ecosystem.
I am kind of dipping.
Yeah,
I
you have
mean,
the iPhone, you have the AirPods, you have the
Watch,
Apple
yeah.
Watch. So, nasa mobile ecosystem ka na.
Yes.
And you're already in the mobile ecosystem, natatawid ka ngayon sa kanilang PC ecosystem, sa Mac ecosystem. Now, in the case of MacBook Neo, Mac ecosystem is a gateway for you to be able to touch on and experience Apple in general and then trickle down to
other
the
things.
mobile
Yeah.
ecosystem.
Okay.
So, I count pretty much the same with my kids kasi they're also coming in from a mobile ecosystem to the Mac ecosystem. And tawan-tawa ako in a way. Hindi tuwan-tuwa ako. Hindi ko na kung tawan-tawa ako, tuwan-tuwa. Pero my eldest is willing to give up his ROG laptop
Wow.
for a MacBook Neo.
Really?
Yeah, sabi sa kanya, pero anak, pag ginawa mo yan, yung nilalaro mo on your laptop, gaming laptop, ROG, which is a fantastic laptop to be honest, no? You can't play anymore the games that you're able to play on
You
a
can
MacBook
to a
Neo.
certain degree.
Eh ngayon, nilalaro niya, ano siya ngayon, yung nilalaro ni Rick,
Yeah.
Arknights. Naka-Arknights siya ngayon and cranked up to the highest setting. And ganda ng graphics ng Arknights.
Pero baka kasi, hindi na niya priority ang gaming ngayon.
Very likely so. Kasi lately, Hades nalaro niya. And you can play Hades very nicely on
Also
your MacBook Neo.
also on a handheld.
On a handheld. So, I think kaya niyang buwaba or mag-compromise because the priorities,
Also,
the priority
status
shifted.
symbol.
Also,
Like,
it's a Mac.
it's different when you pull out the laptop and you have the Apple
Yeah.
logo on the lid, right?
Exactly,
Especially
exactly.
for younger generation now. It's still a status symbol, I think. Not really status symbol, parang, oh, cool.
Yeah, it's
you
such a
have
cool thing to have a
You have a
Mac.
MacBook, right?
Oh.
Yan. So, I think that's it. That might also be part of it.
Yep.
Pero I guess iba na yung priorities din, diba?
Yeah.
Kasi especially since he's preparing also to go to a higher level of learning, like
Of learning.
college eventually, university eventually. The time for gaming also medyo liliit na rin yan kasi mas
Totoo yan.
demanding ang
Sa
university.
college life, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yes po ma'am, sir, magkaka-college na po. Malapit na, 2 years na lang may college na po akong anak. So, totoo naman, di ba?
Yeah, it's true. Oh my God. Ready ka na ba?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, so,
Are you ready?
ayan. So, very interesting. I firmly believe that there will be enough MacBook Neo stocks
In the
in the Philippines. And I'm just really happy for people who would be getting their own MacBook Neos.
Actually, we will see. Kasi what I did is I brought this laptop. This is a 14-inch ROG Zephyrus G14.
Which is really nice.
It is. It's old. It's
2021
old.
ba?
I bought it to 2020.
Wow.
So, it's one of the OGs. But the thing is kasi, parang for me, the 14-inch laptop is the perfect size for me.
It is. Like
So,
14 inch.
yeah,
Love
14 inch. Yeah. So parang what I want to see kasi is I want to see the stocks of the MacBook Neo in store first.
Yeah.
Kasi last time, dinala ko to, kinumpare ko siya dun sa MacBook Air na 13 inch.
Yeah.
In terms of like, if the screen size, in terms of size, makakompromise ba yung work ko? Kasi sanay na sanay ako sa gantong size, right?
Yeah.
So, in terms of that, I have to check first the MacBook Neo. Ganun. Pero,
Yeah.
I don't know, we'll see. Kasi, okay pa naman siya eh. I mean, I use it when I travel.
At yun guys, magandang gayahin si Louie sa ganyan kasi may mga times na okay pa naman siya eh. So,
Oh, I
kung
mean,
gumagana pa naman,
yeah, if it's
it still
perfectly
serves
functional. Yeah.
that got you through the pandemic. So,
Dude, I was using this for like, 5 years. Kasi, 2025 lang ako nag-upgrade to a PC, which is like a 4060 Ti.
oh nga
na.
pala, no?
The
She has a
GPU.
video about it, by the way. We do
Yes.
have a video about it also.
And then, this was what I used to play all my games ever since.
Oh, yeah.
Nakakonect lang siya sa monitor.
Sa monitor mo.
Can you imagine this little baby just like
Yeah.
playing your AAA?
Pero alam mo, namimiss ko rin talaga yung time na our laptops, we have removable batteries. Kasi, ang problem kasi ngayon is that, syempre, when your batteries we're using all our laptops and then nakasaksak siya all the time, di ba? The degradation is there.
Even if, let's say, ang technology ngayon, may pass-through na.
Yeah, oo.
It goes, like, with this one.
Does this
yes,
have
because
pass-through?
the USB-C, specifically the USB-C.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's meant for travel.
Hmm.
So this one, alam ko, it goes straight to, like it charges.
To the power.
It charges and then it stops and then goes
does
straight
the
to,
pass-through
yeah, alam ko ganun.
magic. Yeah.
I don't know how, I could be wrong because I don't really check for that.
Yeah, I mean
Constantly kasi nakakabit siya sa outlet. But when I travel, I use the USB-C.
and good thing about our laptops naman these days is that meron siyang limit. Like, you can
Yeah.
set it to 80% and then
yes.
it doesn't go
Yeah,
more than
which
that.
is so funny because I completely forgot that I had that put on my laptop.
On your
So,
laptop?
kala ko, compromise na yung battery ko. Yung pala
Yung
hindi.
pala nakaset lang sa 80%. Galing talaga niya, no?
Oo.
Okay.
Which means, smart ang past Louie because inayos niya yung tawag dito, yung effectivity ng battery pa. It's sustained.
Buti na
Diba?
realize
So,
mo.
but then I realized, okay, I need more battery power now because I'm constantly traveling. And it gives me
These days,
anxiety.
no?
It gives me anxiety pag nakikita ko bumabagsak na yung battery life niya. But, yeah, so, I mean, kudos to Past Louie who prepared
More
this
of that,
laptop.
please. Now, our next episodes will be really a lot fun. Like, really fun. And I'm
Yes.
excited for our next episode. Ngayon pa lang sabihin ko na, Louie, no? Supposedly, dapat nag-shoot kami last March. But, nga, as I mentioned, nagkasakit ako.
Tapos nag-Holy Week pa.
Holy Week pa. And this guy, actually very busy during the Holy Week because his main content is really Roman Catholicism, religion, and digital.
Wow.
So, Really big fan of this guy. His name, by the way, is Romar Chuka. I actually messaged him, and then he actually said yes to it.
Yeah.
And I'm just really excited because our shoot will be this April, end of April, and I can't wait. We cannot wait to share with you the story behind it. While it is Roman Catholicism and in digital in general, we will be touching on things like how is he doing it, and how is he bringing more people to watch his content, even non-Catholics, and even how to appreciate yung content na ginagawa niya. But generally, this guy's funny. Like, it's really funny. Like, yung mga contents na ginagawa niya, to me, never cringe. And I'm really looking forward to actually meeting him and talking to him. So, interesting yan for you because, una, well, you're not Catholic, no? But you are from Ateneo, and also he's from Ateneo. So, I think that kind of bridges the common ground kayong dalawa.
I mean, I think more than that, it's like being in the social media atmosphere as somebody who talks about a touchy subject such as religion. It's very, very challenging. So that is more on where I'm curious about. Kasi ang bilis mong pwedeng makancel.
Oo, correct.
Ang bilis mong...
Dalawa lang yun, di ba?
Oh, it's either makancel ka or, nga, you get a... I mean, it's...
You embrace it.
It's very, very... Like, how do you manage that kind of topic and make it your regular content?
Exactly.
Di ba? Doon ako nai-intriga, I guess.
And yun nga in-embrace niyo yun because he's the Catholic comedian.
Yeah.
Yun yung brand niya sa sarili niya. And such brand resonates to not just even Catholics.
Yeah.
So yun nga, very interesting. Dalawang bagay naman yan minsan na ang taboo when it comes to things like this. At minsan ayaw isponsoran ng mga brands either a topic about religion or topic about politics. So, but here, since we don't have a specific brand partner for that episode, go lang tayo ng go.
Yeah.
Especially if it's a very interesting topic.
Yeah.
And in fact, kami pa ngayon nagsabi kay Romar na if you guys have any idea how we can help you in your apostolate, we'll do it. Kasi like ako, just to let you know, dati ako seminarista. So, my heart is also in that kind of line.
Yeah.
So,
ako rin naman, I mean, I grew up in the church.
The church.
As a Christian also. So, I mean, it's not very different from each other. I guess in terms of practices, it might be different. But I mean, we all have our own personal belief system.
Exactly. Yeah,
So learning more and being able to understand each other's is, I think, still a good practice. At
napakadaming relevant topics ngayon.
Yeah.
Especially with the war happening.
And yes.
Oh my God,
I mean,
like Trump and also the Pope, like they have some discussions also.
Yeah.
I want to know
ano yung perspective niya?
What's the perspective? I mean, di ba, it's so interesting.
Considering we just came from Barcelona where the Sagrado was there.
Yeah, I was there.
The Sagrada Familia, so we came from like a very religious place also.
We got to spend some time with Father Dennis, like 2 nights, no?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, such a timely...
I mean, hindi naman to yung... I don't think naman that's going to be the main core of this podcast
Yeah,
series.
of course not.
Pero just maybe for this episode is a little bit deeper in that aspect. Na more on the religious systems and faiths, ganyan. Wala naman din tayong discrimination against each other.
Of course not. Of course not. Like, alam ko, like in our circle, marami na tayong circle natin na iba ng religion. So it's really more of a... iba kasi yung may disdain over things. It's not like that. It's really more of curiosity, acceptance, respect.
Yeah. Number one is respect. And yes, somebody who grew up in a Christian household also, there are a lot of practices na Catholic practices na I also don't understand or I'm not aware of. So for me, kaya nga na-remember yung, I was like, not to be like disrespectful, I wanted to make sure din kasi, since I didn't grow up Catholic.
Yeah, I remember this.
Na parang yung, I didn't want to be disrespectful also, and I wanted to make sure na, hello, you're in Sagrada Familia, tapos you do something that's kind of taboo, hindi natin alam, di ba?
Yeah,
so, syempre, when I was looking at the Mass ano bang tawag doon? Yung sa mass
mass book?
na mass book. Or yung PDF niya ng...
Because ka nga may guide, no?
Oh, may guide ng mass. So, syempre may part doon that says Eucharist or whatever. Yung communion, which we also have in Christianity naman. Parang, tapos nag-message ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, tama naman na dapat hindi ako mag-communion. Dito bawal ako mag-communion. Kasi meron naman naka-bold doon na if you're not a baptized Catholic, you can't. And I didn't know that naman.
You just wanted to be sure.
I wanted to be sure. So obviously, hindi ko naman siya gagawin kung, di ba, kung bawal. Sorry na, hindi ko talaga alam. I mean, no disrespect.
Of course.
Kasi,
it didn't come naman to me na you're being
Yeah.
In fact, you asking the question was respectful.
Yeah.
Kasi, syempre,
I mean, just from my perspective kasi, I have a lot of family who's also Catholic. So, pag kunwari, meron ding mga weddings, or like, for example, like, nakunod yung mga funerals, when you go to the mass, syempre, nag-offer din sila ng communion.
Yes.
And my parents would never tell me. Kasi my parents also grew up Catholic eh.
Yeah.
So, they didn't say naman na bawal. They said, no, you can if you want. And I always thought, if you wanted, you could. But I just didn't want to do it because I'm not Catholic. Why would I do it?
Exactly.
Like, alam mo yun, kung nasa Christian service ako, I would do it, di ba? Parang ganon. So, ayun lang. So, those are the things na parang I just want to be respectful. I also want to understand. Kasi there are a lot of things that you don't know if you grew up in a different, like, religious belief. So, and for me, I think that's the good thing about being aware of different faiths also. Kasi, pag ganon, mas mag-open yung world mo, mas magkakaroon ka ng deeper perspective.
Yeah, that's why I actually appreciate yung, kasi philosophy graduate ako eh. So, we had a course back then, philosophy of religion.
Yeah.
Si Father Sid pala yung teacher namin, no? Shout out kay Father Sid Puyat. Hello. Yeah.
Ano yun?
Nanonood kay Father Sid Puyat. So, yun, no? Ganun nga, no? It's really more of trying to understand where they're also coming from, the faith system, the faith beliefs and all. So, yeah, excited for that episode. Romar, Chuka, I believe that you guys, you may have seen his content. And in our pipeline, we already talked to a few other contacts that we have. No, we hope to be able to interview Senator Bamaki. No,
I hope so.
So we hope so.
But I need to read up a lot on what's happening.
Same. I mean, we're coming there as someone na totally oblivious and really willing to learn about what he's doing for the country. So I think it's going
gusto
to be
ko talaga
very
kasi nagsistream siya minsan yung sa BAM Gaming.
Yes,
Doon ako natutuwa.
No. Actually, yun yung gusto ko rin na aspeto eh. Kasi he has a lot of things to say about that and also things to say about the cryptocurrency thing.
Yes.
Technology, and he's spearheading quite a number of contents, things about those things. No? So, yeah, so yun.
Hopefully, we also get some content creators here in the tech industry, not just tech, maybe gaming also.
I think we can probably contact and also establish connection with John, no?
Yeah,
Daddy Player One.
Daddy Player One. Because if you guys have seen him, we also featured him. The feature mo siya sa
Tokyo Game Show.
We had a reel with him. Yeah, he's a good friend. We've known him for a while. So, ayun, mga stuff like that. So, interesting. Hopefully, we get more. Yun.
Yeah, so exciting second quarter of 2026. I can't believe nasa second quarter pa rin tayo.
Yeah.
Parang tagal na, no? Parang ang dami na nangyari.
Yes. Pero marami pang mangyayari because we also have Computex coming up.
Coming in this
quarter,
June.
So, tapos we have a lot of launches then to
a few other brands. Xiaomi Fan Fest is coming in the next few weeks, no? So this is another thing na to look up for. Quite of other things, no, to be launched by Fujifilm. By the way, Fujifilm X-T6 just leaked. Diba X-T5, diba? I think they're gonna be launching X-T6 very soon.
Oh my gosh.
So
considering I'm thinking about getting a camera in the future, diba?
Yeah. By the time this episode is up, nilabas na po ang Osmo Pocket 4, no? So, ayan na, no? Si Louie ay magpapalit na to.
By the way, nagkaroon ako ng I finally got touched by the Osmo Pocket 3 curse.
Oh no, yeah.
Sa
that-
MWC pa,
oh.
sobrang funny talaga. Sa
Pagdating na-
paglapag ko ng Osmo Pocket kung ganyan, tapos isi-switch ko na siya to horizontal.
Na GG agad.
Hindi na siya ang lala talaga. Parang, I don't know, maybe it's time.
It is time. And we're looking forward to, of course, the official launch. Kasi the official launch is happening, I think, on the 23rd.
Okay.
Pero available or global launch siya tonight as we speak, as we're recording this video.
Wow.
So, and even GoPro recently announced a few other products that they have interchangeable cameras anyway, interchangeable lens
Ang
on their action
dami.
cameras. Ang dami. Like Insta360 also announced something as well. Maybe Insta360 X6.
They have the selfie
Oh, yeah, the selfie thing.
connector.
No?
That was the latest one
Yeah.
that I've seen.
Na may
from
ilaw,
them.
di ba? Yun yung may ilaw. May ilaw na may monitor.
Yes, I think
Yeah.
so. I think wala ka pa nun, no?
Meron ako noon yung sa small rig.
Okay.
Yeah,
But I
pero
mean,
wala
like
ako
from
nun sa
Insta.
Insta360. I think it retails for less than 5,000 pesos. Nasa 4,200 yata
You know,
siya.
my only gripe about that one is you connect it via USB-C to your phone.
yeah.
So what if you
Oo.
want to use a tripod so hawak-hawak mo lang siya talaga forever? Or what if you want to film na nakaganyan?
Yun actually,
yung
correct
biggest
yun.
concern ko. Kasi ang ganda niya. And lalo na like all the content creators are saying, there's almost close to no lag
Correct.
between your phone's camera and the screen.
And that is because-
which is what the small rig has. Remember?
Yes, but
Malaki yung lag niya.
That's the advantage of using the Type-C.
Yes,
Kasi direct. Kasi nga,
yes.
virtually no lag.
Yeah.
Pero I think yun yung advantage. Kaya lang yun nga, it kind of stops other or
So,
hinders other
I
things.
mean, magaan daw siya, pero if you can't use a tripod with it,
Yeah, wala rin. Di ba?
di hanggang ganun lang talaga, pang selfie video type lang talaga
Oo,
siya.
oo.
Ganun lang talaga siya.
Yeah.
Yun lang concern ko as a content as somebody naman I shoot selfie content.
Yeah.
Di ba?
A lot, like quite a lot, especially
yeah.
for you. Pero syempre, happy ka naman sa Osmo Pocket 3 mo kahit tinagro-rotate. Okay lang
Okay
yun.
lang naman so far, pero siguro mas magiging happy ako kung may Osmo Pocket 4 na ako.
So yeah, so by the way, Louie, before we end, anything new with OMG Louie? Anything that you wish to announce or anything?
Wala namang anything new. Same old, but I hope you guys like and subscribe and follow our podcast, Chips and Zeros. We have more coming soon.
True, that is true. Same thing with Gadget Pilipinas. We do have quite a number of contents coming in. Especially, may mga bago tayong announcements, especially from Realme and Oppo. May mga bagong produktong i-announce in the
My
next few
gosh.
days. No? The same thing with, as I mentioned kanina, DJI. No? We'll also be talking about these things. Plus, OnePlus, they're still very much alive. They recently announced the OnePlus Nord.
Wow!
And of course, we'll have contents about that. And also, a few other products by Apple. We'll talk about the iPad
yes.
Air very soon. We just received the iPad Air M4.
Wow.
Plus a few other accessories, and we'll talk more about about MacBook Pro M5, because apparently there is now a way for you to be able to install Steam games very easily. Steam PC games, because
Wow.
there are some native
Yes.
games na app
Now you can,
Mac.
it's Mac OS compatible.
Yes, no, pero this time there is now a way which I was able to do. Not all games would work. Diablo 4 doesn't work.
Baka it's
Windrose
limited
does not work. Yep.
It's limited to Steam.
Steam siya. Pero actually, if you have other PC games naman, it still work pa rin naman. Kaya lang, it's really a matter of like really tweaking like how it would work. It's actually built on Wine. For those of you who are nerds out there trying to look for Wine. So I'm trying to look for ways to make PC games work on Mac and
So
Linux.
That's like Steam Deck.
Yep, para
Wine.
ganon. Yeah. It's the same thing. Wine is that fork, but built for the Mac ecosystem.
Yeah.
Silicon
Okay.
in general.
Okay.
So we'll have a video about that. We'll put it out maybe within the month of April. Kaya ko pa ba? Kaya ko. Yes, kaya ko.
Bakit ako tinatanong?
So yeah, again, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for tuning in to our latest episode of Chips and Zeros. Again, this has been me, Gian,
And Louie.
and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Chips and Zeros.